But major news back here at home as well, as Governor Ducey declares a public health emergency following 9 identified cases of coronavirus statewide, 2 of them right here in Maricopa County.
Team 12's Bram Resnick is reporting live tonight. And Bram, what does a public health emergency declaration change for the state?
It changes a few things. Governor Ducey says he's protecting the people most at risk of the coronavirus, senior citizens, but he is not canceling events with large numbers of people, even though he could do that with an emergency declaration. Here are 3 things the governor is doing: letting assisted living facilities toughen their visitor policies, waiving expenses like copays and deductibles for coronavirus testing, and protecting consumers from price gouging on treatment for the deadly disease.
These are our latest steps, and they will not be our last steps. This will continue to be my top priority 24/7.
For weeks, the Arizona State Lab has been the only source for coronavirus tests, and only for high-risk patients. Now commercial labs in the valley are offering the tests. President Trump told Americans, if you want a test, you can get it. So can we all get it in Arizona?
So right now, you might have trouble. We are working with healthcare providers to ensure that they know how to get those samples, where to send them, what to do with them, so that we can increase that.
The emergency declaration would allow the governor to shut down large events. But Health Services Director Dr. Kara Christ says the coronavirus hasn't spread widely enough to do that.
And we are not at a point where we would recommend those types of things, but we are constantly evaluating to see if those measures do take sense. But at this time, we are not there.
And one of the biggest developments in the fight against the coronavirus this week has been commercial labs here in the Valley offering coronavirus tests for the first time. Check with your doctor or healthcare provider to see if you need that test. Live at the State Health Lab, Bram Resnick, 12 News.